how to view trades and wallet holdings. Now you're going to look at some, it is very low, like you might not even get to see it instantly. So but when you click on this trades low and just right below the chart, you're going to see buys and sales here. You're going to see he bought 0.1 here, he sold for, like, people are actually trading this. So but now there is a very tricky stuff here, that you just see that the dev is just holding only 3% of the supply. When you are looking at these wallet holdings on Pumpfun, it's very deceiving. It's not actually, it doesn't actually give the right information on how much the dev is holding. So what do? You copy this your contract address here. For me, I have some bots I use. I have some bots I use for my trades. You're going to see here that when I scanned it, this soul scanner bot, it showed that the dev sniped 62%, maybe bundling or stuff. So but this is when you base your search on only these trades here, it only shows you that he has just 3% of the supply or stuff, but he has more.